Ah, sim, vai.
Troca de telefone.
Tá, mas ela tá dentro de uma trava e tipo, você olha, consegue ver o chão.
Mas na hora que ele sai. Mas é que tá aqui na
Barriga. É igual a outra lá, só que tem foto. É igual a outra lá da Universal, só que eu fui.
Key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. On an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story in the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the elevator all down.
So just please wait on me to call that number before you enter. Also, please make sure you're holding on to any and all loose
For your
belongings.
safety
Press 6
once
top
on
left.
board, please remain
four,
seated
middle left.
with your seatbelt fastened. Keeping your hands,
two, front
arms,
left.
feet, and legs inside the elevator all down.
Both hands up, everyone. Both hands up. Both hands up, please. Awesome. Thank you.
You are the passengers in a most uncommon elevator about to ascend into your very own episode of The Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator and had a nightmare. That door is opening once again, and this time, it's opening for you. To discover what lies beyond the fifth dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest corner of imagination, in the Tower of Terror. Something you won't find in any guidebook. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
Ladies and gentlemen, please gather your belongings and watch your step as you exit through the elevator doors. We trust your stay at the Hollywood Tower Hotel has been a pleasant one. And please do come back and see us again. Thank you.
Oye,